Once you've gathered enough flowers, you can begin constructing your flower crown. I'm taking a piece of goldenrod and one of my zinnias. I'm crossing one stem over the other. I'll take the bottom stem, draw that up over the top stem, and bring that through between both blooms. And then I'm bringing the stem back around to join the other one. You can continue joining flowers this way, weaving them in the same manner at any point along the crown, as long as you're wrapping more stems to secure them. As you continue adding length, the crown will grow thicker. This keeps it sturdy and strong. You can continue adding the flowers as long as you like. I find it looks nice when you're alternating the filler flower with the larger blooms. Once you've reached your desired length, take a piece of string or twine or even a sturdy stem, if you don't have any of those handy, to tie the two ends together. Once you've secured the two ends, you've finished your flower crown, and you don't need any additional wires or strings to secure it. It will hold together quite well, all on its own.